Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I want to introduce you to your new bathroom best friend. This is the Angry Orange Illuminati Bathroom Odor Eliminator, and it really does eliminate bathroom odors. You can spray it ahead of time in the toilet, and it will prevent odors. If you forget to spray ahead of time, it's also an air deodorizer, so you can spray it in the air, which is really nice. Or if someone else forgets to spray it, you can spray it. It is the orange spiced royale scent, and it smells exactly like that, spiced oranges. But by far, my favorite feature of this bottle is this sprayer. It's so quiet. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes you use an aerosol can if you're a guest or someone else is a guest in your home, and like literally everybody can hear it outside of the bathroom, and I think that's kind of embarrassing. Maybe it's just me, but I really appreciate that Angry Orange did that with this spray. The sprayer is so quiet. So that's my favorite feature by far. So if you're looking to deodorize your bathroom for you or your guests, this is a perfect option for you, and that's my point of view.